I'm now a famous YouTuber.
We got a famous YouTuber here.
That's right.
Yeah.
Well, famous to my special viewers.
Oh yeah. special ones that get on his OnlyFans. So we're out here. We're about to ride mountain bikes. It's been a while. I know. I miss y'all too.
Yeah,
but yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
My skills are on fire.
His skills are on fire.
On the fire
Watch
tower.
out. We're going down the fire tower, so better watch out for these fiery skills we got. Let's get it. You! Status update. We are out here in the woods right now, and it's probably, what do you say, about 92 degrees out here?
90,
98,
yeah. 100.
Probably more like 115. You know, we're pretty much in the desert, as you can see right here. Absolutely no vegetation, just hot sun beaming down on us nonstop. Yeah, basically on sand dunes. But you know, we're probably a good like 2 miles in. We're already soaked in sweat.
Yep, 2 miles.
Just dripping. Pretty great time.
Yeah, it's been brutal.
Yeah.
I saw a snake.
Yeah.
It wasn't good.
It was great.
It's not.
It was.
That's good.
Well, I guess so. Here we go on the impossible climb. Breeden Bridge? Breeden Ridge.
Yeah, Breeden Ridge. This is going to be the more popular side.
Yeah, you know, it's a pretty popular day out here. Great weather.
Great weather.
Great day to be out. All kinds of people. Oh yeah. What's up, man?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Oh.
Thanks for all the work, man.
Yeah, rip it up.
Looks
dude.
good.
Made it.
Hell yeah, brother. Wilding out with some drone footage. Here we go. Oh yes. Drone footage round 2. Here we go. here getting nothing but incredible content. Cruising down these mountains.
I think we're right downstream from the usual spot.
Guys, welcome back to my Wet and Wild Adventure channel.
Yep.
We found a little river here, so we're gonna jump in. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, we're going in.
It's like 116 out today.
Oh wow, that feels good.
Oh. He's got to go balls deep.
Gotta go lower.
Let's see if he can go balls deep. Oh, you just got to throw yourself in it, man. Just go for it. Oh! Feels good, whatever it is. Oh, it's a shark. All right, here we go. I don't even want to do it. It feels so cold.
Yeah, like you said, man. Just gotta go down. The event took place. We're just gonna have to sum it up for you guys because you missed it. A lady pulled up while we were swimming and then found an oar, and then she said a boy got hurt. And then she just pulled out with her car and then did a few donuts in the parking lot, and then she left, and then she came back and did a couple more donuts.
She left a nice 11 right there.
Yeah. And then she's gone, and now we want to know more to the story.
She really just left us with nothing. We just had a 5-minute conversation or 5-second conversation with her, and it was just like, yeah, my son got his head cut open by this oar, you idiots. And then she just drove off. So
yeah,
guess we'll never know. But guess that'll be the end of the video today. Yep. Hope you all enjoyed this tandem footage between the two of us YouTubers.
Yeah, well, maybe.
Yeah,
maybe.
We might not get any from him, but you know,
but you'll get some.
Just gotta jump in his comment section and get him to put it up.
No, you don't.
Stay tuned for more.
Woo.